Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is Chad Confirmed, bringing you the hottest news in the crypto world. Today, I've got plenty of new developments to share with you, including a new burn mechanism and more. How much money do you think you would make if you invested $1,000 in Terra Classic today? There appears to be a general trend of sideways trading since we saw a 300% increase in Terra's Classic initial number from 4 to 3 zeros. Finally, I am pleased to say that we're pumping again. On July 15th, we had roughly $20 million worth of purchase pressure on us, so we pushed upwards. If we look at the volume near the bottom of the market, we can see that whales are once again re-entering the market, and we saw a sideways trading pattern. And then, on the 18th of July, we watch it rise once again. We've now reached at 0.0001 threshold. For the time being, we are firmly entrenched in our current position. In that case, I can say I am really optimistic about where we are currently. Looking at the bigger picture, we can see that the market is consolidating, but it also showing signs of strength to the upside, suggesting that after a couple of previous breakouts, things are headed in the right direction once more. According to a tweet by Happy Catty Crypto, there have been a total of 4,080 executions thus far. In addition, 4,095 and 3,568 are both in the testing phase. From 3,568 forward, the on-chain burning has yet to begin. CZ from Binance has mentioned that this is one of the most important factors in terms of whether or not they would in fact execute it. On the other hand, CoinIn, Meta Gloria NFT, and Deploy Starship have all executed 3,568 off-chain transactions on these exchanges. These are the two who are validating the data, with LongDAO as one of the most prominent Luna Classic burners. We may expect to see some significant progress in the burning's direction in the near future. We now have a 1.2% burn tax, which burns between 1 and 2 billion Luna Classic every day. We'll see a dramatic increase in that when this is rolled out across the board. On top of that, Luna Classic has introduced a new option for burning, which they claim will save the day. On July 21st, we'll be introducing a fair launch on Uniswap. There will be a 2% burn rate for Luna Classic and a 2% distribution rate for Moon to holders. Of course, this is a perfect opportunity to raise the quantity of Luna Classic burnt once more. And this is definitely the most important thing we need at this time. Out of a total quantity of 6.9 trillion Luna Classic, we now have around 6.5 trillion in circulation. Just 1.267 billion have been consumed as of this writing. It just accounts for 0.018% of the entire amount. The percentage of USD that has been burnt soared to over 4.445%. For a while, this figure was about 19 million, but currently it is at 455 million. On top of that, folks are still burning all over the place. As far as we know, Binance owns approximately half the current supply of Luna Classic. Now, what do you think about Terra Luna Classic? Is it something you'll consider? I would like to know your thoughts and experiences on this in the comment section below. And if you know someone that might be interested in this video, then share this link for them to watch. Moving on, I wanted to see how much money you could make right using Terra Luna Classic. Here's an estimate of how much a coin would be worth if it returned to its all-time high value from a current investment of $1,000. Bitcoin, $3,336. Doji, almost $11,000. Shiba Inu, $7,300. Colt, $47,000. Kiba, $11,000. Ethereum, $3,600. Baby Doji, $7,000. And Quack at approximately $23,000. It would take us $10 billion to get to that point if we could burn that much. We may be able to increase the number of Terra Classic members by growing our network and welcoming new members into the fold. A $1,000 investment in Luna Classic now would be worth $1,148,325,358 if the market capitalization reaches its all-time peak again. BlackRock, JP Morgan Chase, and Bank of America have all recorded losses overall in strategic divisions, notably in their investment divisions, as a result of the recent volatility in the security market. People are becoming more optimistic, though, that we are moving away from an inflationary to a deflationary climate, which suggests that we may be on the right track. Furthermore, Fortune magazine published an article on July 7th stating that there are 5 indicators that inflation is slowly but surely declining. Despite the fact that the CPI came in at 9.1%, President Biden stated that these figures are rather archaic. Once again, these figures might drop rapidly again in the near future. It's possible that additional money may return to the crypto market as a result of this move. Because this is one of the most popular crypto projects at the moment, it will bring in a lot of cash. This tweet by the Cryptocurrency News is also on the positive side of things. They stated that, quote-unquote, almost all the conditions have been met for Luna Classic to stand up again. The 1.2% combustion tax is only small steps away. When will this happen? Soon. The community is noticeably strong and Luna Classic is doing well. This just proves that Terra Classic is now in the hands of the community and not just Do Kwon. And we want to make sure people are looking at it as a legitimate project when they shift their money back into crypto. In order to guarantee that our project has a long and successful future, this is one of the finest things we can do. It's best to stay optimistic about Luna Classic right now, despite the fact that we're going at a snail pace right now. That's all for today. If you learned something new, like this video and make sure you hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our uploads. Let me know in the comments below what your thoughts are on this video. Kindly subscribe if you haven't already. This is Chad Confirmed, signing off.